Thyroid gland is an important component of endocrine system as it produces the thyroid hormone that is involved in the metabolism inside our body. So we will study about the basics of the thyroid gland to know about the hypothyroidism in detail. This is the diagram of the thyroid gland, and you can see that it consists of two lobes that are connected by the isthmus. Now, you have studied about it in anatomy that it is located anterior to the larynx in the lower neck. This is the location of the thyroid gland. Now, from there, it releases the thyroid hormone that circulates throughout the body and performs its action in increasing the metabolism of the carbohydrates and in the formation of protein and various other functions. Almost every cell and every part of the body get this thyroid hormone from the thyroid gland. Now, let's just have a look upon the normal physiology of the thyroid hormone to know what actually happens when there is a dysregulation of this thyroid hormone. First of all, the first stimulus of thyroid hormone release generates from the hypothalamus. So basically the hypothalamus releases the thyroid regulating hormone. This thyroid regulatory hormone causes the release of thyroid stimulating hormone from the pituitary gland. Basically the posterior pituitary releases this thyroid stimulating hormone. Now, this thyroid stimulating hormone acts on the thyroid gland, and in the thyroid gland, there are basically the thyroid gland consists of several cells that are made up of the epithelium, glandular epithelium, and this epithelium consists of thyroglobin in its walls. So this thyroglobin is iodinated and is converted into the T4 and T3, that is the two main thyroid hormones released in the body. Now, when the TSH binds to the receptor in the thyroid gland and cause this conversion and production of T3 and T4 hormones. So TSH stimulates the production of T4 and T3 hormone, and both these hormones have ability to act on the cells, on the receptors of the cell, but T3 has much more binding affinity as compared to the T4. So most of the T4 inside the body is converted into the T3, and T4 is produced in larger amount as compared to the T3. Now, this is the way that thyroid hormone is produced inside our body. Again, there is a negative feedback mechanism that is for the to compensate if there is any increase in the thyroid hormone level, or when there is no need of the thyroid hormone in the body, then this negative feedback mechanism is activated, and this cause a decrease in the thyroid stimulating hormone level and decrease in the production of the thyroid hormone. Moreover, this negative feedback can be directly toward the thyroid regulating hormone as well. Now you can see that there is a balance. There is a balance in the production and stop in the production of the thyroid hormone. And in a normal person, this balance is maintained. When this balance is disturbed, then these thyroid hormone diseases develop. Now, there are various types of conditions that can develop due to this imbalance. Just have a look upon those conditions that develop due to an imbalance between this negative feedback mechanism and the production of the thyroid hormone. First of all, there are conditions in which the thyroid stimulating hormone level can be elevated, normal, and decreased. In case the thyroid stimulating hormone level is elevated, then the level of the free thyroid hormone inside, then check the level of the free thyroid hormone inside the body. Now, the thyroid stimulating hormone level is elevated, and free thyroid hormone level is also elevated. This can be due to the two conditions. First of all, there can be the clinically euthyroid or the hyperthyroid. In euthyroid condition, the cause is basically the thyroid hormone resistance, and in case of hyperthyroid condition, the TSH is actually the cause that is causing an increase in the production of the thyroid hormone. So both the TSH and the thyroid hormone level is increased. Then in case when the thyroid stimulating hormone is elevated but the free thyroid hormone level in the serum is normal, then this can be due to the subclinical hypothyroidism. Subclinical hypothyroid, in this type of condition, the serum level of thyroid hormone is normal. Then what happened or what is the cause when the thyroid stimulating hormone level is elevated and the free thyroid hormone level is decreased? This is called the primary hypothyroidism. This is a condition that can be due to some congenital defect, and in this case there may be increase in TSH level, or there may be a decrease in the TSH level, or even if it can be normal as well. Then if the level of the thyroid hormone, thyroid stimulating hormone is normal, no further testing is required. And if the thyroid stimulating hormone level is decreased, then check the level of the free thyroid hormone in the blood. It can be elevated, it can be normal and decreased. In case the free thyroid hormone level is elevated, this can be an indication of primary hyperthyroidism. That means there is an increase in the production of the thyroid hormone that has suppressed the production of the thyroid stimulating hormone, but still the level of the thyroid hormone in the blood is high. Then in case of normal cases, the T3 level is then checked. That can be normal or elevated. In case it is elevated, there can be the T3 toxic causes, and in case it is normal, then there can be the subclinical hyperthyroidism. And when the TSH level is decreased and the thyroid hormone level is also decreased, this can be due to the central hypothyroidism. Central hypothyroidism is a condition where there is some central cause, or there is some defects in the brain that is causing the hypothyroidism. That means the TRH level is decreased here in this case, that is leading to decrease in the level of the thyroid hormone.